Cannon was talking about the video where I had him lift my ankle and he couldn't lift the ankle. And you were saying that you deadlift and...
Yeah, I always thought, like before we did that there was going to be no way that she could apply any amount of force that is going to prevent me, like someone who can, you know, pick up 420 pounds. You know, I didn't think there would be anything she could do to prevent me from picking her up. Like, especially in a position like this, like,
You're silly, buddy.
like I figured there'd just be absolutely nothing she could do. And I can't make her foot budge an inch when I try. And I want to know how it works.
Right? Okay. So I was using Song. So we'll do just a little quick demos. All right. So Cannon's going to lift me by the ankle. And we're just doing, this is already on the channel so you can view it. But, and if I'm just resisting and just a technical, I mean, regular old, I'm resisting, I don't want him to pick it up. So go ahead. Pick, yep. Let's try that again. Do it again. I have to turn off my Song. So if I resist, yeah, then he can lift me. But I go into the state of Song and I am just imagining my weight down, but not collapsing. So the more I'm pouring my weight down, the more my joints are open. Okay, I think I'm ready. We'll see. Yeah. And I'm released, I'm loose, relaxed. Yeah, so that's the state of Song. So, you know, how much can you lift normally off the ground?
420, okay. 425 pounds.
For the record, I'm not 420 pounds. All right, so I'm going to teach him because he was trying to articulate this to his friends and they were kind of like didn't believe him. So I thought, well, maybe if he could do it. Okay, so turn there, facing, yeah. And just do nothing unusual. Like if I was trying to lift you up, I could lift you up. Mm-hmm. And I am using some of my own strategies to be able to lift him because I am smaller. But I'm using some Tai Chi strategies. All right, so now when I get down here, I don't want you to think here. Mm-hmm. I want you to think down below the earth and just pour your weight down into the earth. Just imagine you're like a vessel and you're just pouring the water down there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, don't do anything active, okay? Now, I want you to remember when we song the joints and you opened up your joints? Mm-hmm. Yes, that's it. And there it is. Oh. You did it.
That's fun.
That is so awesome. You did it. What did it feel like to you?
It just, like I wasn't feeling it the same way I did on my arm, and then I just did. I just kept thinking about it the same way I did for my arm, and then it just, like my leg just felt, I can't really describe.
It's
like,
hard to
I
describe.
felt it, but it's like the whole thing loose.
Yes,
I guess
that's exactly right. It's loose. And did it feel to you as if I was almost backing off on my pressure, like I wasn't trying quite as hard?
Yeah, that's exactly what it felt like.
Yeah. And I think you could tell that I was even giving more of an earnest effort to pick him up. So congratulations, you just demonstrated right out of the gate using Song to become rooted but relaxed, and actually you're mobile at the same time. So I think you can do this with your friends now.
I'll have to show them.
Yeah, yeah. And the main thing when we do start to branch out and try with different people is if you have a momentary failure, don't think that you can't do it. Just keep trying at it, be playful about it. And when I first started learning it, I would always tell the person, hey, can I try something? I'm not sure it'll work, but let's see. And then that way you're sort of setting the setting it out there that it's okay. It's okay if it doesn't work at first. So give this a try. Make sure that your partner, very important, that your partner has good back and knees, because you don't want them trying to lift more than 400 pounds if they don't have good back and knees. So let us know how that goes. Give me a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. That was fun.
Yeah.